Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you back to a time when campers weren't built to blend in. They were built to turn heads at every gas station. I'm talking about the 1966 Great Dale house car, a motorhome so rare, it makes Bigfoot look like a neighborhood regular. And this one isn't just a survivor. It's been massaged, upgraded, and given a second life that would make any classic car fan grin like my neighbor does when he finds $1 in his couch cushions. Before we dive into the madness, hit that subscribe button and join our CampAvto crew, because we've got more vintage rigs, more horsepower, and way more fun than you'll get listening to your buddy explain why his pickup still leaks oil on purpose. Now, this Great Dale was built in Denver, Colorado, on a modified 1965 Dodge Coronet chassis. Only about 50 of these house cars were ever produced, which means owning one is like having the VIP pass to retro camping history. This particular unit spent 11 years under careful refurbishment, and I believe the seller wasn't just fixing it. He was basically giving it a whole new soul. Under the hood sits a 489 cubic inch V8, paired with a TorqueFlite 727 3-speed automatic and a gear vendor's overdrive. Translation: you've got power, reliability, and the ability to cruise without the engine screaming louder than your friends' karaoke nights. Braking is handled by power-assisted front discs and rear drums, and the whole thing rides on body-color 15-inch steel wheels with Nokian and Falcon tires. Plus spares at the back because, let's be honest, adventures usually involve something sharp on the road. I think the coolest part is how they paired old-school charm with modern guts. Borgeson steering box, fresh suspension bits, and even a reverse view camera, so you don't flatten a mail ox backing up. Step inside and you'll find red vinyl captain's territory in the cab, complete with a JVC CD stereo, Polk audio speakers, GPS, cruise control, and odometer gauges to keep tabs on the beast under the hood. Move to the living quarters, and suddenly you're in a 1960s time capsule upgraded for today. Marmoleum flooring, blue walls, sconces, curtains, and a cab-over with a memory foam mattress. The kitchen packs a Magic Chef 3-burner range, a Dometic fridge, red sink, and enough cabinets to lose at least 3 sets of car keys. Fresh and gray water tanks, a Life T04 200 amp-hour battery, Renogy charger, inverter, and even a cassette toilet. Keep it ready for the wild. Or just the world's most stylish Walmart parking lot. Outside, the maroon repaint and aluminum camper panels tell their story. Scratches, hail dimples, and some peeling paint. But honestly, I like the most how it wears those scars proudly, like a badge of honor from decades on the road. And with quad headlights, hood scoop, split windshield, and dual hitches, this thing has more personality than most modern RVs combined. This beauty crossed the auction block for $12,000 in December 2023. That's about 11,000 euros. For that money, you're getting history, horsepower, and a rolling conversation starter that'll have strangers asking if it's a bus, a camper, or the coolest house on wheels they've ever seen. So what do you think? Would you roll this vintage monster across the country, or just park it at car shows and soak up the envy? And hey, if you want to support more stories like this one, you can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's cheaper than my friend's premium camping coffee that tastes like hot dishwater. Sponsorship link is right under the video. Official website too. Go check it out.